Alright, heathens, it's Youngblood here. It's the 25th. The heathens are hyped right now. It's 5:25. We're just about to get out and start walking to our spot. We brought the pops out today. So 7:23?
7:05.
7:05. First turkey. Pretty hyped. Trev just got another one. Talking. Nice size Jake. Just two walked in here from our left side on the blind there. And it was quiet at first. And they came in here pretty quick after their third gobble, I think. And Trev go shoot the left one. I shot the left one. Bam, dropped. I'm shaking.
How'd that make you feel, son?
Man, woo! My ears have never rang so bad in my life.